I brought my friend Horsey. He's here because he loves to swim. And today we're doing a letter that swims. Have fun! Hey friends, today we're working on the letter P, and it's a swimming letter. You get to dive down in that water, swim back up, of course, to get your breath, and then over, around, and bump. So make sure you're diving down. Then you can go up, over, swim, 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 around, and bump. The P for capital is a frog jump, so jump to the top, come around, dive down, bump the line, jump, around, dive, jump, around. Lowercase, here's our swim, dive under that water, splash, swim back up, get your breath, swim over, around, and bump. Dive down in the water, swim back up, try to stay on your line. Take your breath, swim over, around, and bump. Dive down in the water, swim back up, around, and bump. Great job. Okay, down at the bottom here, you're just copying the words puppy, space, and peace. Taking your time, lots of P's in the word puppy. Look, dive down, you get to practice a lot. Swim up, around, and bump. Your U stays in between the lines. Dive down again, up, around, and bump. Dive down again, up, swim, 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 around, and bump. Your Y, remember, it's a slide, so you get to do one slide this way, lift your pencil, slide the other way. All right, so write it there. Then you'll write those words one more time, practicing that neat handwriting.